Let me tell you a story. A founder I spoke to recently was excited. He had finally built his AI product. It worked. It was fast. It impressed users. He felt proud. He felt ahead of the market. He used public AI models because they were easy. They were cheap. They helped him ship fast. Then a large enterprise showed interest. Big contract. Big validation. The kind of deal that changes everything. They loved the demo. Then someone from their security team asked a simple question. Where does our data go? The founder paused. He said, it goes to the model API. They asked, is our data stored? Is it used for training? Can you guarantee residency? Silence. That deal died within 48 hours. Not because the product was bad, not because the pricing was wrong, because trust was missing. In 2026, AI is everywhere. It is no longer impressive to say you use AI. The real question is whether you control it. Most founders are building fast. They are using public APIs. They are focused on features. They are focused on traction, but they are not thinking about where the data flows. Your data is not just text. It is your pricing logic. It is your customer behavior. It is your process intelligence. It is your future advantage. When that data leaves your environment, without control, you are not just calling an API. You are exposing your moat. Founders tell me, we don't store the data. That is not enough. Enterprises care about residency, audit logs, access control, encryption, and proof, not promises, proof. CTOs know this. CIOs definitely know this. Founders often learn it the hard way. The fear around AI is real. It is not about technology. It is about control. You do not need to avoid AI. You need to own it. Private AI means the model runs inside your controlled environment. Dedicated private cloud. The data never leaves your network. It is not sent to open public models for training. It is not mixed with other tenants. It is not exposed. This is not luxury architecture. This is baseline survival for serious companies. Let's talk about valuation. Investors in 2026 do not just look at growth charts. They look under the hood. They want to see architecture diagrams. They want to see audit readiness. They want to see whether your AI is explainable. If your product is just a thin wrapper over a public model, your differentiation can disappear overnight. A platform update can erase your feature set. Your moat collapses. If your data loop is private and structured, your moat deepens every month. That is the difference between hype and defensibility. CIOs care about cost control. A data breach is expensive. Compliance failure is expensive. Rebuilding architecture late is expensive. Private AI reduces long-term cost because you build correctly once. CTOs care about security by design, role-based access, audit trails, encryption at rest, encryption in transit. These are not advanced features anymore. They are expectations. Founders care about exit. During due diligence, buyers will inspect your data flows. If they find uncontrolled dependencies on public AI without governance, they discount your company. They see risk. Risk reduces multiplier. This is not fear marketing. This is reality. I have seen companies lose funding rounds because they could not clearly answer data questions. I have seen deals collapse because compliance was an afterthought. You do not need to stop innovating. You need to innovate responsibly. Build a sovereign intelligence layer. Use retrieval augmented generation inside your environment. Let your AI retrieve from your internal files without sending them out. Log every interaction. Restrict every access point. Then, when someone asks, where does our data go? You answer calmly, it stays with us. That confidence changes everything. Do not wait for the moment of embarrassment. Do not wait for the deal that almost closed. Build with control from day one. Everything we build starts under strict NDA and privacy-first delivery. CTOs, subscribe to this channel. Visit www.consultwithkrishna.com, week 1.